Neuroplasticity, that is the name of the game. A lot of times people have heard from their doctors, you have neuropathy, there's nothing you can do. Learn to get used to it, take this gabapentin, we're going to manage symptoms. I don't know why doctors say that, because it's a well-known principle called neuroplasticity, which basically neuro means nerve, plasticity means they can grow. I pulled this up so that you could see this, but here's a query. I said, how does someone with stroke learn to walk again? Neurologically, how does it heal? So everybody's heard that, right? I knew a friend, my aunt, my grandma had a stroke. She had to learn to walk again. How does she learn how to walk again? The answer is she literally stimulates neuroplasticity. So what that means is stroke survivors relearn to walk or talk or whatever it is through intense, repetitive physical therapy and gait training that triggers neuroplasticity, which, get this, allows the nerve to rewire itself and form new nerve pathways. We know this in physical therapy. We know this as neurologists, at least if they specialize in stroke. Why are they not making the leap that if you can literally create neuroplasticity, which means it rewires itself, that means it literally grows new nerves. There were damaged nerves from the stroke, it grows new ones, and we can walk again, we can talk again. Now, you don't just sit around and wait for that to happen. You have to do the activity. There's a specific way to get those nerves to regrow. And there's a number of different things here, but repetitive training, like if you're lost the ability to walk, you need to walk. In the beginning, you're holding on to something, or you're suspended and you're able to walk. You can ride a bike, which stimulates that, right? But whatever you can do to get that moving, and you make it more difficult, and you have to do it again and again and again and again. And if you keep running those pathways, if you keep stimulating those pathways through this exercise, they will literally regrow in the brain. Well, here's the good news. If you know how to stimulate the nerves in the peripheral nervous system, meaning down at the feet or the hands, if you know how to stimulate those and you do it repetitively again and again and again and again, you also will stimulate neuroplasticity in the extremities, in the peripheral nervous system. This neuroplasticity is not limited just to the brain, it's the whole entire body. Our program includes specific ways. Like the stroke victims, we provide specific ways to challenge, to stimulate those nerves so they triggers that neuroplasticity, meaning you can grow those nerves back. You can heal better, which means that you can feel better. If you're feeling numbness, you can grow those nerves back in. If you're feeling pain, tingling, burning, you can rewire those nerves. You just have to know how to do that. In these videos, we teach exactly how to do that. But the most important thing, there's one more thing here, and I think the most important thing has to do with your mental imagery. So watch this. Mentally rehearsing, like people can just sit there and they can think about walking, just thinking about walking, moving your legs, moving your legs, moving your legs, will literally stimulate those nerves into growing back in there. Mentally rehearsing the act of walking can activate the same motor areas in the brain as physical therapy. Isn't that phenomenal? So if you listen to your doctor and your doctor says can't be done, and you believe that and you're mentally rehearsing it can't be done, it shall not be done. But if you listen to videos like this and watch people who have gone through programs like this and listen to testimonials and hear that people actually are doing it in spite of what their doctors are saying, if you start thinking to yourself, it can be done, it can be done, it can be done, because it can, then you will start this mental imagery right off the bat. Kind of like positive thinking. This is a little different. You're thinking about walking, but you can actually think about getting sensation back in your feet. So I hope you make this a great one. The key word for today is neuroplasticity. Your body was already built with it. It's already engineered. Isn't that cool? It's in there. So make it a great day. Think positive. Figure out by watching these videos how to stimulate neuroplasticity.